U-Advocate Silo Mayema namhlanje utshele isigcawu sikaNkabinde ukuthi owayeyinhloko ye-NPA Advocate Shamila Batohi wehluleka ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe ekuphenyeni ngokubulawa kwezisulu ezazingenacala zibulawa uphiko lwamaphoyisa lwase-Cato Manor. uBatohi uyena owabhalela uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba kuphenywe ngobuqotho buka-Advocate Andrew Chauke njengenhloko ye-NPA eSouth Gauteng.
U-Advocate Mayema namhlanje uveze ukuthi owayeyinhloko ye-NPA uShamila Batohi wahluleka ukuphenya ngokubulawa kwezisulu ezazingenacala amalungu eCato Manor eyabe yaziwa ngelegido.
In 2008 the head was Advocate Shamila Batohi.
Yes. So is she the person who should have in fact taken steps at the time of the killing?
Advocate Shamila Batohi and her staff were the people who were supposed to have ensured that the matters are dealt with appropriately.
uMayema uthi amaphoyisa eCato Manor adubula abulala usomatekisi uTimson Makojela Ndimande kanye nomqaphi wakhe ngoba besolwa ngokubulala uLieutenant Zethembe Chonco owayephenya amacala okubulala empini yosomatekisi.
So the second person who is shot, there is a driver who is shot. According to this document, we have no idea that the driver posed any threat. Then there is a second person, the passenger. What is he doing when he is shot, according to this letter?
Attempting to flee.
Yes. I mean, you are a prosecutor of many, many years. Is this lawful to shoot a person who's attempting to run away?
No, not at all.
uMayema uthi uNdimande nomqaphi wakhe babulawelwa ize emva kokwakhelwa amacala angekho amalungu eCato Manor.
Is there any evidence here from what you've read that shows that Mr. Makojela Ndimande was the so-called main brain behind the killing of Superintendent Chonco?
No, there is nothing that shows that he was the main brain.
Yes.
Uthi izibhamu ezatholakala endaweni yesinye isigameko okwabulawela kuyo ezinye izisulu ezimbili zazibekwe yiwona amalunga loluphiko kanti izisulu zazingakaze zilahlwe amacala phambilini.
What they did was they would plant a firearm to create this narrative, to support this narrative that they are following.
uMayema uphinde waveza ukuthi uLieutenant Zethembe Chonco owayephenya amacala empini yosomatekisi akabulawanga amalunga enhlangano yamatekisi yaseStenga nakwamaphumulo. Uthi uChonco wajikelwa yiwo amalunga eCato Manor ambulala. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.